This is the story of Julie and Mark, a very happy couple, until one night an unwanted guest came into their life. His name was Mr. Snore. He made Julie and Mark's life miserable. Whenever Mr. Snore was around, Mark had to sleep in the guest room. Mark tried everything: pillows, uncomfortable mouthpieces, and even neck straps. But nothing worked. Then one day, Mark's doctor told him about Zzsnore, a clinically proven nasal spray that stops snoring. It worked. Mr. Snore disappeared and never came back, and now Mark and Julie are happy again. Zzsnore works for men and women. Just click the button below to try Zzsnore risk-free.